you think there's any aspects of a fit out that should always be, that you think should be in that realm?
Yeah, absolutely. I think when a client or staff member walks through the door, it's what they see initially. And I feel that personally, our reception space is exactly that. It's quite open. There's invitation to sit on beautiful seating, even where the staff are placed, where the rooms then, I guess, flow on from that. And all the little intricacies around that. So your smells from candles or incense, or the sounds through the system, to the colours used, really allow the clients and the staff to actually feel quite relaxed that they're coming into, while it's a professional setting and a setting where there's going to be either hard work or potentially intense therapy being undertaken. It does still feel very open and safe and nurturing.